Good morning. I am honored to introduce this year's student speaker, Kylie Bilello. As Warhawks, we wear our purple with pride. We represent our university and all of its values. Kylie is a shining UW-Whitewater ambassador who leads in many places, from the University Center to the Big Easy to Central America. Her star was bright last month in New Orleans, where Kylie helped lead our powerhouse American Marketing Association team to its 14th straight International Chapter of the Year honor. Back here on campus, her ability to welcome new students was on display last fall as she served for a second straight year as a peer mentor to our freshman students. Kylie has taken advantage of every opportunity that's come her way after life threw her a significant curveball. As AMA's Social Impact Division President, she recently hosted CPR and AED training for students, faculty, and staff, a cause that's deeply personal to her, as CPR saved her life when she suffered cardiac arrest at just 12 years old. Kylie's impact was also felt in Antigua, Guatemala. She traveled there last summer with other AMA members to market a small business that elevates Guatemalan women. Kylie describes campus by using words like home, community, and support. Those words also symbolize the Warhawk bold work she's done to support students and inspire people in all parts of the world she's visited. She graduates today with a Bachelor of Business Administration and Nonprofit Management. Please join me in welcoming to the podium Kylie Bilello.
Good morning, all. Esteemed faculty, dedicated staff, proud families, and most importantly, the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater class of 2025. We made it. Standing here today, I feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude and pride, not just for myself, but for every single graduate here, for the families who supported us, and the faculty and mentors who guided us. Today is more than just a celebration of academic achievement. It's a testament to resilience, growth, and the power of perseverance. Think back to your very first day on the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater campus. Think back to walking into Drumlin for the first time, or running onto the football field for Warhawk Welcome, or experiencing your first college class. For some of us, it was an exciting new adventure, while for others, it was terrifying. I remember my first day, feeling a mix of excitement and nerves, but in my case, mostly nerves, wondering if I was truly ready for this next step. Little did I know this place would challenge me, change me, and ultimately shape me into the person standing here today. The past 4 years have been filled with moments of triumph and moments of struggle. We survived exams that seemed impossible, late-night study sessions that turned into early morning coffee runs, and group projects that tested our patience more than anything else. We have faced obstacles, whether it was a difficult class, personal hardship, or learning how to balance school, work, and other life responsibilities. For me, this journey was deeply personal. I started college as someone who was scared to step out of the box. Being a Warhawk, I have experienced excitement, joy, the best friendships, and adventures that will guide me into the future. Being a college student has shaped me to be a best friend, a strong, adaptable leader, and a critical thinker. For many of you, college isn't just about getting good grades. It's about preparing yourself to push forward, even when things are impossible. Over the last 4 years, this class has overcome countless challenges. Whether it was wearing COVID masks in the dorms with online classes, to navigating personal hardships and the ever-changing demands of our studies. Despite the challenges we have faced, our graduating class has not only persevered, but excelled academically, personally, and professionally. UW-Whitewater has remained dedicated in its commitment to exceptional teaching and student success, and the results speak for themselves. The College of Business and Economics demonstrates excellence through its commitment to student success and innovative experiences. The College of Arts and Communication department continues to provide students with the creative freedom to bring stories to life through plays, musicals, and performances that not only inspire us, but move us. And a victory especially close to my heart. The American Marketing Association has once again been named International Chapter of the Year, marking an extraordinary 14-year streak of excellence. From International Chapter of the Year to National Athletic Championships to state and regional honors, UW-Whitewater is bold and leading the way. These accomplishments are a testament to the passion, dedication, and resilience that defines UW-Whitewater, and more importantly, each and every one of us. Today, we don't just celebrate graduation. We celebrate the legacy we leave behind and our bright futures ahead. As we prepare to leave the comfort of this campus and step into the unknown, I want to reflect on a few important lessons that I believe will serve us in years to come. First, embrace challenges. Growth never happens in your comfort zone. Every obstacle we have faced in college, every difficult exam, unexpected setback has prepared us for the real world. Life will throw curveballs our way, but we have already proven that we can adapt, rise above, and keep going. Second, success is not just about personal achievement. It's about impact. One of the greatest things I have learned is the most meaningful moments come from helping others. Whether it was supporting a classmate, leading a student organization, or volunteering in the community, we have seen firsthand how much of a difference we can make when we step outside of ourselves. Third, never underestimate the power of the people around you. We didn't get here alone. Our professors, our mentors, our friends, and above all, our families played a vital role in our success. Take a moment today to pause and appreciate the people here with you today. To the parents who sacrificed, to the friends who encouraged, the professors who saw potential in us even when we doubted ourselves, thank you. Today is not our day, it's yours too. Now we stand on the edge of something new. Some of us will go on to pursue careers. Some will continue their education, and some still might be figuring out what's next, and that's okay. The truth is, no one has it all figured out, but what we do know is that we're ready. If there is one piece of advice I want to leave with you, it's this: the world doesn't wait for permission. If you have a passion, a dream, a calling, go after it fearlessly. Don't wait for that perfect moment or for someone to tell you that you are ready. You are ready now. We are stepping into a world that is constantly changing and sometimes can feel a little bit overwhelming, but change is where opportunity begins. As graduates, we are the next generation of leaders, innovators, and change makers. The world needs us, not just for our knowledge, but for our ideas, our compassion, and our courage to challenge the status quo. Before we go out and celebrate, I want to take a moment to say thank you to the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater for being a place of learning and growth, to our professors for believing in us, and to our families for endless support. and to the friendships we have made and the connections that will last a lifetime. Thank you. Graduation isn't just an ending, it's a beginning. We have worked so hard to reach this moment, and now we get to decide where our journey will take us. My hope is that we take everything we have learned here, not just the knowledge from class, but the resilience, the friendship, the lessons and leadership and perseverance, and use them to make a difference in this world. So, class of 2025, let's go forward with courage, with purpose, and the knowledge that we are capable of incredible things. Let's embrace the unknown, chase our dreams, and never stop believing in ourselves. Take a moment to enjoy the people who are here today. These people are your forever Warhawk family, because once a Warhawk, always a Warhawk. We are now alumni. Take every moment. Seize every moment, because our time is now. To the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, class of 2025, congratulations.